Okay, so we have a question on box plot. Before you can do the question, you need to understand what a box plot holds. It holds 5 pieces of information: the lowest value or the minimum value, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the maximum value. It's very rare they give you those pieces of information to plot. What sometimes they do is they will give you the minimum value, let's say that is 3, and then they'll give you the range, which is 90, and then they'll ask you to work out the maximum value. The range is highest take away the lowest, therefore 3 plus the range must give you the maximum value, which is 93. Or they will give you the lower quartile, let's imagine that is 4, and then they give you the interquartile range, which is 9. You know the difference between the upper quartile and the lower quartile is the interquartile range. So if you do lower quartile plus 9, that should give you upper quartile is 13. And you can check it. 13 take away 4, is it 9? Yes, it is. So let's get to doing the question. So let's draw the box plot, 3 marks. Least value, which is the minimum, that is there. The greatest distance is 23. Now I'm going to make a mistake. What some people will do, they will put this here without double checking. If you carried on going in ones, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, notice you reach 25 before the actual value 25. So that's wrong. Always, always be careful and check the scale. The fact that you have got 5 and there's 10 boxes, that tells you 2 boxes represents 1. So I need to count in twos. 21, 21, 22, 21. You have to be really careful. 22, and that is my 23. Low quartile is 11, and again, don't make that mistake. Be careful. That's why it's worth 3 marks. You remember you're counting in twos, so that is 11. Double check it, yes. The median is 18, 16, 16, 17, 18. Be careful. There we go. Now, they have not given you the upper quartile. They've given you the interquartile range. We know the difference between the lower quartile and the upper quartile is 9. They've given you the lower quartile is 11. Therefore, 11 plus 9, that means the upper quartile must be 20. There we go. Now we have that, we can, obviously you want to use a ruler. There you go. And that is done.